guys, and welcome to DIY Hair School, and on today's video I'm going to show you how to do a quick and easy space bun style. So all we're going to use today is two little hair ties. I'm going to do it with hair ties today instead of scrunchies. I know I usually use scrunchies for my bun styles because that is my preference. Scrunchies just add extra volume when you don't have a ton of hair, but not everybody likes the scrunchie. Not everyone likes to see the scrunchies. And I do get some comments of people asking if they can do it without a scrunchie, which you absolutely can. So these are my hair tie of choice. They are literally from the dollar store, so I can't tell you the brand. I've linked some that are very similar in my Amazon storefront. The brand really isn't important. They're just children's hair ties. They're small. I don't have a full-size hair tie here to compare, but like, you know, a full-size hair tie will fit around your wrist, and this is really tiny. So these are meant for little kids' hairstyles usually, but we can use whatever we want. So the first thing you're gonna do is split your hair into two sections because this is space buns, not a single bun. So I am going with a middle part because that's my preference for space buns. You can do it with a side part, but I personally don't think it looks as good. So I'm going to part my hair down the back. I'm not going to be keeping the style in today, so I'm not going to check the part at the back to make sure that it's straight, but if I was going to wear the style all day, I would double check that the part was straight at the back, or you might not care if the part is straight at the back, and that's also fine. If you like a wonky part, you do you. So we've got our hair separated into two sections, and now I'm going to take the one section and I'm going to brush it up to wherever I want my space bun to sit on my head. I am letting that hair at the front that's kind of my grown out curtain bangs stay out, but you can pull all your hair back if you want to, or if you don't have short hair on the front, you can pull all your hair back. I just like having hair down my front. That's what I am comfortable with. So you're going to hold your hair in the ponytail with one hand, and you're going to take your hair tie around your fingers with your other. So I'm just doing it around a few fingers because the hair tie is so small. If you have a bigger hair tie, you can get all your fingers. You still could with this one, but I'm used to doing it with just a few fingers. So we are going to do the twist and flip bun, which I know not everybody has, but this is great practice. So we are going to grab the hair, pull it halfway through, and then as we go to twist our hair tie, because that's what you do next, right? If you pulled the hair all the way through, you would twist the hair tie to wrap it around again. So we're going to twist our hair tie, but our hair is not all the way through. And instead of just twisting the hair tie, we're just going to take the hair with us as we twist our hair tie, like that. And then you're going to pull the hair tie down over top, and you've got all these ends out. But as you pull your little bun apart, it's going to kind of suck those ends up into the bun, and any ends that are left out are going to tuck themselves underneath. So you'll just pull apart that bun until you like the way it looks. Now, because there's not as much hair in these buns as if you're using all of your hair, they can be harder to create the shape and make it not so floppy. So I will often take the edges of the bun with a bobby pin and just pin them down to where I like it. So that's one. Now let's do it again. And that is the struggle for a lot of people, is creating a second bun in the same spot that looks similar. But let's remember, they don't have to be perfectly identical. And honestly, nobody's gonna notice. Even if you can tell that your buns aren't the same, other people are just gonna think they look adorable. So putting that hair up again on your head in the spot where you want your bun, taking your fingers with your hair tie, grabbing, pulling that hair part way through, and when you go to twist the hair tie, you just take the hair with you and plop it on top. And then we will pull that bun apart. This one cooperated a lot more. I don't really feel like I need to stick a bobby pin in the edge of that one. They're a little different, but that's okay. The ends of this one are still sticking out a bit. So I'm gonna tuck those guys in, and I'm gonna just secure them with a bobby pin because they didn't tuck themselves in all that well. And there you go. Super cute space buns. super fast, super easy, something different to do with your hair instead of just throwing it up into the same bun or ponytail every day. And I love this style, and I always get a ton of compliments when I wear it like this. So I hope that helps. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions that I can answer, or if there's any content that you'd like to see. Thanks so much for watching today, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe so that you don't miss any of my videos, because I do post 3 times a week, every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, here on YouTube. And I post every day, DIY Hair School, on my TikTok and Instagram. Bye, guys.